This video is to help you make a glog using glogster.com. A glog is kind of like a collage or poster, only it's electronic. The first thing you do is go to glogster.com, and you're going to need to put in some information to create an account. Now I've already created an account, so I will sign in using mine and show you what it looks like. So once you've found your username, or you've created your username and password, and you have set up your account, you want to create a new glog. You can also put information about your profile and choose an image to represent your profile, but you want to eventually get to this place that says create new glog. Once you've got to the place where you are at create new glog, you pretty much follow the pre-formatting directions: graphics, text, images. Some of the features you can't do unless you pay for the site services, and we're obviously not going to pay. So you can start out with something like graphics. And of course this glog is supposed to be about you. It's supposed to represent your personality. So look at the pictures and say, oh, okay, gosh, I really like the environment. Sure, I'll pick Think Green, and you click and drag it like that. There's pages and pages of graphics. Just pick the things that you think represent you, that you want to be able to talk about. Click on the different types of graphics, like if you like pets. The ones that say animated are animated and the little tail wags or something like that. I think you get the point there. Okay, here's a cool feature. Say that you want to get an image off the internet and put it onto your collage. So you go here to Image, and you'll see it says Upload. Uploading means to take a file and electronically put it onto the internet in some way, either through an email or an online storage, like a cloud device or something like that. So let's say you go to Google Images and you type in what you want to put on your collage, and then you've got all these images. So you pick the one you want. Okay, I like books, so I'll pick this one. You're going to save image as. I would suggest just saving the image right onto the desktop. That way it's easy to find. Give it some kind of a name, something easy, and click Save. So the computer will download that image onto your desktop. Now you're going to go back to your glog and click Upload. Go to the desktop and find the image you just saved. So I called mine Book 2. Click Open, and it'll think for a minute, and Glog will get that image and upload it here. And there's my image. I could take it and drag it where I want it now on my collage. That's how you use Google Image, upload it into your glog. If you go to sound, you can also upload sound files that you've pre-recorded. Here's an example. I recorded my speech, book cover collage example, and that's a M4A file, an audio file. I had saved it already on my computer, and then I just went to upload, found my file, uploaded it just like I did for the picture. If you have songs, you can also upload them. It's kind of tricky sometimes to see if it'll work, but that's fun to play with. The data and the draw features are not available for free, so you can skip those. The wall is like the background, so you can pick one of these schemes to be the wallpaper behind all your images. It might be a good idea to pick that first, actually. That way you can decide where you want your images. Now once you've put your images onto your collage, you can rearrange them as you would like. See here it says edit. You can play with them if you want to make them bigger or smaller, move them around. It's super easy. If you want to see what your Glog looks like before you save it and publish it, you can say preview. And this is what it'll look like. Oops, you probably want to take that off. There's my song, which I won't make you listen to all right now. When you're done previewing, you can go back to edit, and then you can go ahead and save your Glog. You probably want to give it a different name, like your name, or something. I'm going to call mine How To. And then it'll tell me the address of my Glog. It says your Glog has been published. What to do next? Well, I want to copy the URL for my Glog and send it into the teacher, which is myself. Haha. So that's what you can. Here you can click View this Glog, and you will see what is online. See, it'll tell you the name of your Glog, and then it'll load all the images and sound files as you have pasted them in there. Hope this little tutorial helps, and I hope you have a good time creating Glogs for class assignments.